Presenting the 2007 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. A powerful engine will meet your need for speed that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.